So Mason Greenwood set to switch allegiance from English born to Jamaican born. I can't do that. But he set to switch allegiance to not play for England and to play for Jamaica, to become a reggae boy, not to be to dismantle the Three Lion crest on his heart right here, his heart, yeah, and put on the reggae boy, the JFF logo. That's the news. That's what be reported all over social media. It's either IG, Instagram, your WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp groups, Facebook. It's all there. And X, not Twitter again, X, it's all there. It's all there, people. I'm going to get into detail. I'm going to give you my perspective on it. No, please, people, if you don't agree with what I'm saying, I have no problem at all. But we can disagree and be respectable for each other. So I don't want to come in the comment section and people cursing all over. We don't need that. We really don't need that. Let's keep it a bit positive. If we're not that positive, let's keep it cool and calm. Let's keep it like that. But certainly, at this present moment, we're going to get into that detail. Please, people, please do hit that like button. It's very, very important that you hit the like button. Really, really important that you hit the like button. And also hit the subscribe button. It's on the bottom right of your phone screen. If you're using a phone screen and if you're using a laptop, just look where you see subscribe and turn on your notification bell. What that does, it helps you to get the videos when they drop. Hitting the like button helps the video to go into the YouTube algorithm. So that is the admin part of the video. Big up to our viewers and subscribers, and massive respect to our Patreon and channel members of the military squad. My respect to you guys. Anyway, let's get into the meat of the matter, which is Mason Greenwood. Let's have him up on the screen so you guys can see. So Jamaica are interested in offering Mason Greenwood the chance to switch his international allegiance from England as the striker looks to rebuild his career from Manchester United. As you guys know, everyone, if you're not in the football realm, that's the only way you don't know that. At this present moment, Mason Greenwood was released by Manchester United because of the accusation that he got regarding his girlfriend and the abuse and all those matters. I don't really like to get into the people's personal life because most of us, 90% of us, actually don't know what really happened. We can speculate based off all the things that was the evidence that was presented to us, that was leaked via social media. We can speculate, but we don't know the full 100. Now, the charges were dropped based off according to the reports from the court case and the internal investigation that Manchester United did. They did not find anything according to all the reports that came out. That's what happened. But he was still dropped from Manchester United solely on the reason because they just can't manage to take the backlash that they will get from the fan base. Remember, we are in a woke culture. We are in a woke culture right now. So according to one guy, he did something bad, and according to the woke society that we're in right now, he should stop work, he should stop breed, he should just not live. He should just disappear. So according to those people, not knowing that this is a young man, yes, we all made mistakes. Funny enough, most of these persons who are in that woke culture, they have done many, many things bad, especially at his age. He's a young guy. And everyone needs a bit of second chance. Now, at this present moment, it seems to be that Jamaica are willing to give Mason Greenwood that second chance. Will he take it? From what I know, and speaking to a few persons in the we can put this without making it complicated. From what I know, there is a bit of fire under the smoke. From what I know, there is a bit of fire under the smoke. There is something being prepared. From what I know, and I won't give you more details on that until it is 100% concrete. But from what I know, there is a little bit of spark behind these smoke that you're seeing. Nevertheless, the big question is, are we woke? Are the Jamaican fan base woke, football fan base woke? Or do we want to see a prolific striker come in and wear that shirt and score some goals for us? Which one are we? Do we want to see some goals score? So a prolific young striker coming in, scoring some goals, or are we walk where he should not even put on another jersey in the rest of his life? He should go and work at Burger King, flip to Burger, not even Burger King, because the Burger King will be cancelled. So they're not even Burger King he won't be able to go because Burger King would get cancelled. So where will he go now? According to the cancel culture, stay home and just eat grass. maybe that's what they want. Maybe that's what they want. He's a young man. He did make a mistake, and and funny enough, the person that what happened, the incident that took place with him and his girlfriend, both of them are still together, have with a child at this present moment. So apparently his girlfriend has moved on. He's trying to move on, and unfortunately can't, because the cancel culturists are after him. They want to cancel every aspect of his life. They want to cancel his girlfriend. Probably want to cancel even his newborn baby. That's just how they are. That's the mentality of the cancel culture that we're in right now. So hopefully, we'll see how the Jamaican football fan base view this one. If this is a good move for by the JFF to get in Mason Greenwood, get him firing again. Hopefully, he makes a move to another club, and hopefully goes to a club where the cancel culture is not that high. I do think that the cancel culture is a first world problem still. So, but in all aspects, people, these are my views. This is my opinion. I am not saying that what he did was right. I am not saying that he did it. I'm not saying that he didn't do it. I don't know. I was not there. So I cannot account for it. I can only report based off the reports that have come out from the court case. Those are legitimate reports, and also from the Manchester United club. So I can only give my opinion on that. I cannot give my opinion, and I cannot say that he did it, or I will not say he did it, because I don't know. So I won't say he did it. I won't say I didn't do it. I don't know. I'm leaving that part. I'm leaving that part of it for your discussion or your decision. What I can discuss is, do we want to see Mason Greenwood in that Reggae Boy jersey? In my perspective, I would love to see him in the Reggae Boy jersey. At Manchester United, Mason Greenwood was one of the most prolific young strikers basically in the world. He is lethal. And do I want a lethal striker leading the Reggae Boyz line? 100%. 150%. I want a lethal striker leading the Reggae Boyz line. What about his past? People are going to say, what about what he did? Come on. I did stuff in my past I'm not proud of. The thing is, the question is, all those who are throwing stones, what, have you done anything? Are you that crispy clean? You have never done anything wrong in your life? And the funny thing is, most times persons who are throwing stones are most of the time people who generally do stuff. But this is my few thoughts on the situation. It's quite interesting. As I said, people, there is a bit of how should I put it now, spark behind the smoke. From what I know, I'm hoping that this actually goes through, because this will be very, very big. This is huge. This will be huge for us. With all that said, hopefully he can find himself in a club where he can actually rebuild his career, because this is actually a very important part of his life in football, rebuilding his career. Luckily he's out training now. He looks shattered where confidence is. Hopefully he can get back to his best and firing again. So we will see how this one materializes, people. So tell us in the comment section what you think about this one, people. I would really, really be interested in what you think about this one. Please do hit that like button, people, and hit that subscriber button. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. These are my thoughts on Mason Greenwood. I don't know if he did it. I won't say he did it. I don't know. I'm only going off the reports that I reported. Big up on yourself. MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom.